Caught in Chaos, the #1 place to find viral clips of chaos caught on Earth. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.
Fuck. Dude, are you fucking kidding me? Yo! What the f? Oh. If you want, yeah, please.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I probably caught that on the dash cam.
The f, man? You just made me crash.
How did I make you crash?
I got a camera. Park right here till the cops come. Asshole. Where are you going? Dude, go get him, please. What the f?
Ai, minha perna! Caralho!
Child protected.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my gosh!
But Jake didn't want to get involved in any of that. Through his fear, he did seem to really insist.
This will cancel the call to emergency services because setting for handling assist has been off. Continue to cancel emergency.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available with 20...
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
But yes, it is just strange that a lot of...
God!
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the sh** is this guy doing? But yes, it is just strange that a lot of...
God!
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the sh** is this guy doing?
No! Damn it!
It's okay. Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
I'm dead. No, my life's over, Sam. My life's over. Sam, my life's over.
Oh my god.
Do połowy lat 90. była ozdobą Izby Pamięci w katowickiej Komendzie Wojewódzkiej.
This Dashcam driver pulled to the traffic light to see an angry man on a scooter in a road rage interaction with a vehicle. Watch what happens when the light turns green.
Truck drivers always have to deal with the worst people. Watch as this Jeep brake checks the truck, and as he exits, the vehicle brings a hammer with him. This might possibly be the most obnoxious road rage driver I have seen on the road. What would you have done in this situation?
That's kind of how they are.
What are you doing?
So,